Hello guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can we work with input syntext. If you are not follow up with my Python tutorial video, it might be hard to understand what I'm writing in code when I'm coming in the code tutorial video. But if you are not familiar with it, I will explain a little bit, but not too much. You can go back and watch it, or you can watch in other YouTube video tutorial videos. But in today's video I'm going to show you how inputs work with other types of syntaxes in Python. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm back with the code. In the last time I show you how I completed the define functions. If you want to watch that video, you can watch it, but for now let's start with a new line. Okay, input syntax is help. What's doing is input syntax is will going to help us to communicate with the users. What means what doesn't by mean that it's we can take input from the user, and then we can process the code. I mean, if that doesn't make sense, let me code, and I hope it will make sense after I did that. And if it doesn't make sense, I highly encourage you to work with code in yourself. But let's start it. To write input syntax, we can just type input, and then we can just surround it by print by bracket. And if I run this one, you see the terminal is not run completely. If it is run, it will going to show here a blue color field with a field in the circle. Here, as you can see, it is empty black. They just put some other stuff just randomly, and if I enter, you see the terminal is it shows that the terminal is in run it and ended, and thus the input is doing here. And we can also put whatever. Let's enter input in here, and then let's add some. What I'm going to do is now I will print out this strings text, and then also I can also after I print out this one here in the terminal, I can also write whatever I want to write. Okay, let's run that, and let me show you why I mean that. You see, it's printed out here, input, and then space also here. I did some space because just if it is close, it just looks not cool, so that's why I just make space here. And then we can just also enter whatever thing we want, and if we hit enter, the terminal will going to be in. That's how the input syntax to work. But also we can also store it the input in some value. You see, this is when this is getting some helpful when we do that. You know, if you if we put in some value whatever the users enter in the terminal, we can just work with some other stuff that we plan to do. Let's store this input in just stand for input. Okay, I cannot use in because it is a syntax. We cannot use syntax for a name for the variable. For now I just use in one, just randomly. I just choose it randomly, or I can just also say input. Okay, let's also under bracket in one, just okay. If I run this one again, you see it's again printed out, and then you see the terminal is also in here. Even though we just say store it in the variable, it will going to print it out, and it will going to ask us to enter some value, to input some value. And then also after we do that, I can show you some example to work with input. Let's say if we are asking a question, maybe okay, let's say some if you are not familiar with if statement, you can go back to my playlist tutorial, Python tutorial video, and you can watch that from that tutorial video, or you can just search if syntax tutorial video in YouTube, and then you can, I hope you can get 100% believe that you can get a tutorial video better than me, but let me show you how can we work with if statement. Let's say in put one that we are created here are equal to let's say what we are going to say. Let's say it is okay, let's make a while loop. Just I don't know, I hope you know a while loop, right? In this video I'm just show you how the input is work, and but in the future video I might be going to show you as far as we learn and a big example video to show everything that we learn and to make something useful thing. But for now let's just make while loop, while true. To work a while loop you have to if you are not familiar with it, you can go back and watch a while loop explanation video, or you can search up in YouTube. And then if input, let's say we want to know if the person is want to stay in the terminal or not, or let's say we want to the person to put only that we ask him to put. Let's say here to put my name. Okay, right, my name. I just came with this idea while I'm recording this video. And then let's say if input equal to audios, it must be capitalized, the first one. If it doesn't capitalize, it doesn't going to work. And then let's say break, else, print, let's say not correct. Alright, I hope I spell it correctly. Correct, incorrectly. I spell it right. I hope. And then I'll say continue. Continue. Okay. I hope you will continue, even if I'm not expressing. Okay, let's create the terminal, and then let me run it. Let me show you. Okay. Spelling error. For boolean, the first word must be capitalized. Okay, say write my name, and I don't know my name in, let's say, what can I say, just randomly. in not correct, you see. Let me explain what's happening here. First, while let me while loop is going to many times until some break or something, like if this is some value and it is contain true value, and then if in some case if we just change it into false, in some case it will going to break the while loop. Or we can just say break, we can just do like that also, but that's how the while loop work. And then in the while loop it will going to ask us many times, write my name, as you can see here, write my name here. And then if the inputs that we put here are this syntext, it will going to break out this while loop. And then after it breaks out, there is no line of code, so it will end up the terminal. But here, as you can see here, else the input is not this character, it will going to say, it will going to print it out this, and then it will come back to the while loop again, and then it will going to ask us again, write my name. You see, that's why it's printed out this one, and then it asks us again. And let me show you again, just randomly s. You see, whatever I did that, it will going to print it out like that. So but now if I put my name here that I write it here, you will going to stop the, I hope you will going to stop the while loop. Yep, you see, it breaks the while loop. And then because there is nothing left after the while loop in this code, it stop the terminal. And also we can just also work with other stuff. This is just to show you how the input variables are, when we combine with other stuff, are very useful, and we can make other things also. We can have fun with that, and also it is very useful, this input text. And I hope you understand this a little bit. but in the very far or in the upcoming videos, we're going to post some very not very hard project, but a little bit challenging projects. I will explain how I will do that, and then after I did that, I will start making a little bit complex, and then I will show you what I know in my journey, and then also I will make that kinds of video. And if you come across for this video, I appreciate you to watch this video, and this is the end of the video, and I see you guys. This is all I got for you. I see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.